Hi there, this is Justin Turner presenting my week 14 coding assignment for Pomoneo Tech's Backend Bootcamp. I'm going to share my screen with you. So this week we implemented post and put requests in our Spring Boot pet stores API. So I'm looking at that database right now in dbeaver. So let's take a look at the pet store table, which currently has nothing in it. I'm going to refresh it just to make sure. Yes, there's nothing in it. We're going to use a post request to create a pet store in this table using Advanced REST Client. But first, I have to go into Eclipse and actually run our local host server here. So run that. Anybody know any jokes? It's not taking that long. Okay. It is taking that long. 8.235 seconds. Holy moly. Okay, so now we're going to head over to Advanced REST Client. And here I have a request set up with the appropriate headers, the authorization and everything. And we're going to try to add this pet store to our database. Here we go. Boom. Okay, it works. And we can, let's add another one just to make sure. I was previously having some internal server error stuff earlier that I debugged. Yep, that works too. Beautiful. Okay, and then let's just make sure it's there in dbeaver. So I'm going to refresh. Ba-boom. All right. Now, if we go back to Advanced REST Client, now if I perform a GET request here on the pet store endpoint, we should see those two pet stores. Yep, returned. There they are. Okay, and if we want to get a specific pet store by its ID, that should also work. And it does, yeah. So we got the pet store with ID 1, and it returned little tame lions. Okay. If we get a pet store that does not exist in our database, so we don't have a pet store with ID 3, or actually I'm going to do a put request, pretending like we're going to update this Awesome Aquatics pet store with the wrong ID, however, in the endpoint. We will get a 404, which is because we implemented a global error handler that actually returns informative messages to the client when there's an error. So you can see pet store with ID 3 was not found. Okay, let's pretend like we're actually going to update Awesome Aquatics with the correct ID here. So what I did was I took the address and just changed it to 2224 instead of 2222. And if we do that, there we go. That succeeded. And if we go into dbeaver, here we can see, okay, it was originally 2222. Refresh, now it is 2224. Okay, so that's just a brief overview of some of the functionality we added this week. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.